This defines a class named solution, encapsulating the solution logic. The toSum method within the solution class takes nums, a list of integers, and target, an integer, as parameters. A dictionary named number_to_index is initialized to store numbers and their corresponding indices. The enumerate function iterates through nums, providing both the index I and the value number. For each iteration, the variable complement is calculated as the difference between target and the current number. It checks if the complement exists in number_to_index. If found, it returns the indices of the two numbers. If the complement is not found, it stores the current number and its index I in number_to_index. If no such pair is found after iterating through nums, an empty list is returned as there is no valid solution.